Good morning, I'm Gary with Lost in the Ozarks, and today I'm going to show you how to start a fire without any matches or ferro rods or anything like that, just using a little chemistry. I like to carry this in my pack with me. So what we need is some potassium permanganate, which is readily available. You can get this stuff on Amazon, and I'm going to put a link down in the description. And then we need some vegetable glycerin. And these two substances, when you put them together, the potassium permanganate, it creates an exothermic reaction with the vegetable glycerin, and you'll get fire. So I'm going to show you how to do this. That way you don't have to carry matches or anything like that. I just carry these in my pack, and then I carry a small piece of folded up aluminum foil. And what you can do with that is you can make a little bowl to put your potassium permanganate in, so it doesn't get blown around and knocked around and everything, because you want a pile of this. So let me show you how to do this, and this may be your favorite way to start a fire if you're out in the woods and you're camping. So we're going to put a small amount of potassium permanganate powder into the little bowl we've created here. And my cat's trying to help me. Then we're going to use a stick to just kind of put a little indentation in the middle of that. That's where we're going to put our vegetable glycerin. And then you want to have make sure that you've got your tinder ready when you put this on, because it doesn't take it long. So I just pour a little bit on there. Then give it just a minute to start, and it'll start smoking. You want to have your tinder ready. As soon as it starts, you want to put your tinder on there. And there we go. And now you can start adding more sticks. And then as you get a bed of coals, your fire will start burning the logs that are under it. And there you go. No matches. No ferro rods, nothing like that. Just a couple of little containers you can carry in your backpack. Start a fire anywhere. So like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description to get these two things. You can buy them off Amazon. They're relatively cheap, and then just carry a couple of small containers with you in your emergency pouch. And then if you ever need fire, your matches are wet, you don't have a ferro rod, then you can just use this and you can get a fire started. So this is an easy, quick way to start a fire. This stuff doesn't weigh much in your backpack, so you can carry, enough for, probably plenty of fires. You can probably do 10 or more, get fire started with this. So there you go. Fire with nothing but a little chemistry.